back to the Movement by MK Studio. I am so excited to be here with you today, as always. Today I am pumped to continue day 2 of the Beginner Babe Challenge with you. I'm serious when I say I will never forget when I first started my fitness journey, and day 1 was super hard. So the fact that you made it to day 2, you should congratulate yourself right here, right now. So today what we're going to focus on is your upper body. As your personal trainer, I even admit upper body is really hard for me, so I'm so glad that you're here with me today so we can get through it together. So we're going to focus on 4 moves around 2 times through, and that is it, about 10 minutes of work. Does that sound good with you? All right, perfect. Come to the back of your mat and we're going to walk it out into a pretty plank. Your feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. You're going to walk it out into that pretty plank. When you get here, your hands are directly underneath your shoulders and you're going to drop down into tabletop. So you're going to kick your feet back, your knees come back, you're going to drop down into a push-up, bring your hips back as you propel yourself forward. This is called a tricep push-up. You're going to keep your elbows tight the entire time, your core is going to be engaged, your booty shifts back, and your arms come on down. We are on together in 3, 2, and 1. Good, breathing in through your nose, side out through the mouth. Are you so pumped to be back in the studio with me? I'm excited to have you here. Seriously, you are my motivation and inspiration, and I feel like throughout the next 30 days, we are going to have so much fun together. I will never forget, doing push-ups at the gym, they were so hard for me, and I just had to keep showing up. So anytime if you need a breather, go ahead and take it. You got 8 seconds here. We're going to hold back into that plank. In 5, in 4, good, stay with me here. In 3, in 2, and 1. Here's your advanced option. Feet are going to come wider than those shoulders. You're going to have a nice flat back here. You're going to shoulder tap for 1 and 2, alternate it out. Now if that's too much for you, you drop down into tabletop, bring your belly button in, and you're just going to shoulder tap it right here. Either way works. We're on in 3, 2, and 1. 40 seconds. Whew. So do not underestimate the power of 10 minutes. When you pair the right moves in a short amount of time, you get an effective workout. Whew. That is clearly worth your time and energy. Gaze is down. Good. Core is tight this whole time. You got 15 seconds and you meet me back in tabletop. Strong arms here. Strong core. It's 5, for 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Back in the tabletop. Take a second here. What's going to come next is your left leg is going to extend long. Your right arm is going to also extend. You're going to drive it in center and kick it back. So we have 30 seconds aside here. I do this move in all of my classes, in my private events. It's a perfect low impact option that's also extremely effective. Working your core, shoulders, glutes, everything. How we doing? Yes, drive it in. Extend long, working on your balance. Good, we switch sides. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Right leg is coming back. Left arm extends long. Get that balance, perfect. Drive it in, extend. 30 seconds here. And we finish off with your 4th move. Plank tap outs. Then we're going to start it back from the top. Best thing about this is you're taking these moves, checking them off one by one. Here for 6, for 5, back into pretty plank, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Nice flat back. Pretty plank right here. Gonna come in, your feet come wider than shoulders to stabilize. Good, shifting your hand back. That's 1. Bring it back for 2. At your own speed here. If that's too much, you're in tabletop. Kicking it out for 1, out for 2. Anytime you need to rest and recover, go ahead and do so. Reaching for that opposite foot or ankle. Good, breathe here. You can do this. Stay with me. Day 2, we are rocking it. All right, we switch back down in your tricep push-up. Starting the 2nd round. Yep, that's right. Stay with it. It's 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Take a second here. If you need a quick sip, go ahead and take it. Let's talk about your form one more time. Elbows are tucked in tight. Hands go down. You're going to shift back those feet and knees. Drop your chest to the mat. Shift hips all the way back. Bring it forward. You are on. Working those back muscles. Strong, lean arms today. But what's most important is that mindset that got you here today. As we go through our challenge together, I want you to think of every day as a new opportunity for you to get a little bit better, for you to shift that mindset. Good. Are you ready for that shoulder tap out? We're gonna hit it together. We got 3 more. Shift hips back for 2. Drive it forward for 1. Shift into pretty plank. Let's talk about form one more time. Nice flat back. Gaze is down. Shoulder tap. Hips are staying nice and steady. If that's too much, you're in your tabletop. Your 45 seconds is on. Best thing about this challenge is I'm gonna meet you exactly where you're at. Whatever feels good for you and your body each and every day. Every day might look a little bit different, and that is okay. 30 seconds. Woo! We get a little breather with that tabletop core. Don't drop down. You can do this. Stay with me. Everything is nice and tight. Good. We drop down. Tabletop core coming on deck. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Left leg goes long. Shift that left leg back first. Good. Now your right arm follows. Bring it in center. Your first move might feel a little bit off balance. That's okay. This challenge is meant to challenge you. You may get a little bit uncomfortable, but think about any time in your life when you have grown, you probably were a little bit uncomfortable at first. Am I right? Yep. Drive it in. Switching out sides. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, and 1. Right leg comes back. Left arm goes long. Drive it in. Focus on your breath. Yep, engaging everything here. Nice and aligned. That's right. 15 seconds. We finish off with your final 45 seconds of work. Plank tap outs going down. Are you ready to complete day 2? Yes, we hit it together. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Come on with me, let's go. We shift those feet back. Nice pretty plank. Here we go. Your final move right here of today. Woo! Upper body blast, right? And a little core blast. 35 seconds. Remember, going as fast or as slow as you need to. Most important is that form is on point. Reaching for that opposite foot or ankle. If you need to, drop into tabletop. Kick it back for 1. Kick it back for 2. 15 seconds to stay right here with me. I got you. Yes, I know you broke a sweat. You got it. You are in the single digits. You finish here. For 7. For 6. Stay with it for 5. For 4. For 3. For 2. And 1. Roll it on up. Woo! Good work. I know that one snuck up on you. I know you probably underestimated the 10 minutes, but I'm telling you, that is what you need, a quick, effective workout. And what's most important is you showed up, right? So now you can go check off your calendar for day 2. Check it off, send me a sweaty selfie, send me a direct message, an email. Let me know that you've completed this workout, and I will see you for day 3. Have a good day. Thanks so much.